practice for this.
Come now, come now.
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you.
What's up, AC gang? It's a girl, Abbi. And guys, I'm telling you, say, what I'm telling the dirty people, say, your girl will come back again with a prank them. So, guys, as you can see by the title, I'm about to do the I Want Some Head prank on Capo. Guys, I don't know, say them Jamaican boy and they like, hey, boy, them something there. And so, you know, your girl gonna mention it to the dirty boy when him Capo. I wanna stop dirty boy when him Capo. So, I'm gonna mention it to him, guys, and I'm gonna see reaction. Right now, I'm there in the back of Pit Mango. I'm tell him some want a East Indian. Why am I say East Indian? Because the East Indian, hard forget. It's like, you barely survive on the tree. Yeah. And when you go around there, be a julep. Julep just arrived, so I'm tell him some more the East Indian. So I'm going around there. So I have one camera set up already. I'm not start it yet. So after I do the intro, yeah, I'm going to start it. And then I could go on there and try and help him pick a mango then. Because maybe I'm not even fine on. Because I say, yeah, barely I can survive on the tree. I don't know why. Make sure you hit the like one. Subscribe if you're new. Go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Subscribe to my channel, Abbi's Madness. And go subscribe to Capo's channel, Capo's TV. And so no further talking. Comment team Abbi and stay tuned. Your girl Abbi back again. Hi guys.
Yeah, ice cream?
Ice cream and come?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But 2 ice cream for me, you know.
You tell him, you tell him say you come?
You say me I go show somebody and see somebody want ice cream.
Yeah, my ice cream, I'll buy for me.
You say nobody does for me, you say money my girl?
You need to go jam money up here, you're nasty boy.
You ain't coming though?
More corn.
Nice. So I'm on shopping cream?
100 for the corn. Stay and get a mango. Get a mango there.
The man will get on the way.
Cookie and cream. Mix it. So guys, careful guys to buy ice cream. And then dirty boy embrace I say. But always me buy ice cream for him. You look a nasty boy. Real man mascot my be, you know. Man mascot my be. Eh? I show one time I there and we had me drill him some more ice cream, you know. He might come do about the same thing to me. Nasty dirty boy Capo. Yeah. And so guys, you know this is the perfect thing. I can have the ice cream and then when I eat ice cream, I can tell him say, I like how I lick the ice cream. I can tell him say, I like how I lick the ice cream and him need to try for me. Oh bad, the ice cream man you come just in time. Talk truth.
Ice cream.
Good.
Ice cream.
Pink.
Yo, what's up? 2 cent thing there, right? 2 cent thing.
What's up with good? I'm not liking cream now. I'm gonna fall sometime.
My girl. Put that door. Put that door.
Oh my god. She buy ice cream. Oh my god, what's going on?
Virus can live in a coldness like this. Heat and cold kill virus. You know what's TV now, it's new to you.
Don't them say heat kill virus. Then them say heat help make the virus stronger. So that's about no nobody can study that virus.
You can't make the virus stronger. That's a bug in science. Yalla.
I need ice cream sexy though.
Yeah, eat that.
Oh, Do it again.
I'm gonna do it. I'll be honest with you. No virus can live in the extreme heat or extreme cold. No virus. Yeah?
You know what I'm saying? I remember one time I watch Blues and then the man never do that to it. Why you not do them something that to me, Kevin? Man, nah laugh.
I mean, me actually my piece. No one ever fucking yesterday, yeah? I will stand up.
Man, nah laugh. But Kevin, can't bite it. Kevin, man, nah laugh. You need to do them something there to me. No. No, I don't want a kiss.
So you want?
The relationship just boring, so just like how you had the ice cream, why you do the same thing to me?
My friend, you met it. That's okay, man. Ignore you, man.
Every time you do me feel it, Kevin, you need to do them
I
something
mean,
to me.
you did tap that, yeah?
Nah.
That don't look good. Do that again. You remember if I go that shit? Tap that. Okay, me not get ice cream, no. Me not give me ice cream, no.
You know what the ice cream, you need to start do them something to me.
You met me now. Tap
Everybody
that.
else are doing it.
Look girl, look still.
Everybody else.
Yeah, everybody else. Yeah, Abbi. Me and me.
No, but at the same time, we're young, I need to.
My ice cream I melt. Me I eat my ice cream first.
Ah!
Alright.
Kevin, me not laugh. No, talk to me. Why you not do them something there? You know if you do them
Yeah, fuck me the hand now. Come boy, it's not strong.
Somewhere I remember son, Kevin, me not laugh.
Make it fun to move. What do you?
Everybody do them something there.
We are going for the finger.
Everybody do them something there. I know enough man who do them girlfriend them something there.
Yeah, everybody.
You're just boring and
Yeah,
then
everybody.
one day you just like, I'm just get up and leave it because you not do them something.
You find a man.
Because some
No, you find a man already.
woman
No,
want
take
them
from
something.
you find a new man already.
No.
Where them things happen. You find somebody that takes anything to say my dream thing to you. That's the truth. Somebody that, you know, me ice cream a piece, you know.
Imagine me, I was blooming when I saw the girl them so many times, and boyfriend and please them. Why you can't do them so many?
Which man take the phone?
Nobody not text me phone.
Which man take the phone?
Well, start for here, girl that talk about it, say them boyfriend do this and them boyfriend do that, and you not do them so many. So me can't contribute to the
You're not a girl,
situation.
no girl talk to you.
Enough girl do it. Enough girl.
I thought man never meet and you promise that man.
No, enough
You
girls.
can't tell me no, me
Enough
know
girls
you.
say them boyfriend do them so many.
Someone text, or someone take the phone. Tell them about that.
Look at your man. I'm gonna know say if I do it, I do it so good.
Abbi, relax a little bit. Have you ever tell a girl?
Keep on just say, I go,
I talk about this today.
I go.
Ice cream a milk? It's a ice cream.
And the boy do it to them girlfriends, so why you can't do it to me?
I did the other boy then, no?
So you tell me, no? You will never do that to me?
If the other boy do it to my girlfriend.
Good then, yeah, do that to the ice cream. Oh, you expect me to feel?
I fool this.
It doesn't matter, Capo, yeah. Or the ice cream, yeah, do the work on the ice cream.
Abbi, you know? You can't have all of the people here. Think about you do. What you do?
Let me And that's the issue, no love talk about, you know, freaky girls and them. So
You freaky?
No.
You're boring a bumbo.
Because at the end, you boring too.
Well,
Because then you don't want to live to somewhere.
that make two of us, man.
But they always talk about you want to go free with you, want to go, but you don't want to do that.
Yeah, do it.
If you do it, then me do it.
When you do it, me think about
No,
what
you do it first. Because
Yeah, you strong.
enough man do it.
Yeah, me not talk to nobody. Even take them out.
That would.
Take them out.
Pebble, like when I'm back in there, you know, we can do it. And we have the ice cream, so that way I can put it on.
Do it in the ice
And you
cream.
pretend like say
Do it in the
ice
ice-
cream, yeah.
You know it's so disgusting, Abbi.
Keep yes, I put the ice cream
It's so
there.
disgusting. Like, that hear yourself?
Keep yes, I can put the ice cream there and then you just leave the ice cream. Just like what you done, you know.
Alright, man, put ice cream there, so.
So you never do that then.
Yeah, but book a man by the ice
So
cream.
you will never do that then. So you will never do that then. I know if I'm no. Because I'm always with somebody who now do them something. Everybody else I talk to. Every girl can relate and say, alright, then them boyfriend make sure say them do them something. Every girl, me can't butt in the conversation, why?
Alright.
Me not get them nice things then.
You think find other man them? Ex-man them?
My ex-man never come so close to me.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, but I feel like if I start with, I go down the relationship. Because everybody else I get it, why me can't get it? You know make sense?
If you have a relationship because of that.
You have the ice cream. I say, you can just put the ice cream down there and then act like say, yeah, eat the ice cream and just eat the ice cream and fry.
I mean,
Just like when you also want the ice cream. I went there and do the ice cream, so mom feel some type of way.
Push it look, you know.
Mom feel some type of way when you do it on the ice cream.
Yeah, push it look, you know.
I have to just put the ice cream there and then again nobody in there. So we can at least try it.
My friend, you may say, Abbi, I'm not sure that for you. But I'm not do that to you.
Everybody has boyfriend and dating.
Who's your body's boyfriend?
Enough people don't know. Everybody, every girl.
Your friend them
know.
takes
Yes.
close and up on the man them come. The man them we friend and boyfriend now. I like that type of man.
Shoot.
Me don't know man say, don't come bring that to me, right? I tell you straight up.
I just put the ice cream. Can't understand it. You're gonna make the ice cream done. I love it. Can't understand that? I don't know why the ice cream don't come when you try it. I have to put the ice cream down there. And just do like saying that for the ice cream.
Abbi. Abbi, you come go. Stop again. Abbi. Why you turn on? I'm getting the from inside the car. Forget I don't use it. Answer my question. You get it?
No.
So you have to do that.
Because you ever talk about you want a girl with do it, right? I always say, so we are gonna make it. Are you going to make it?
Yeah.
Well, by then. One time I go start doing, you left me alone.
Who go back road and you
You left me alone. You go there with a
oh,
back
so you plan to do it then?
You go there with a back road, girl.
You plan to do it then?
I always say, if I'm married, I'm going to do them.
Alright, when I'm married, me talk to you about it.
No, I want to talk to no more.
Alright then.
I want to say, I'm not going to waste my time. I want to say, I have the intention. And I want to practice from now.
What the bumbo class you tell me is? But say you find a new man now. How much man you find?
Nobody know there.
Abbi, you find a new man?
Nobody know there.
You find a new man?
Nobody know there. I will have the ice cream. I
What
will
the fuck ice cream and
the
the
ice cream. I left with I just try and be careful. I left with I try.
I'm trying some wood.
Can you stop man do it?
If girl.
Can you stop man do it?
If girl, you may say no.
If
Come
you
back
just
here
try.
and say, let go man.
Stop.
Let me go.
You have the ice cream. See, I have the ice cream on
You
me.
see you look good on that? Let me go.
Here's the ice cream. Watch that. Pretend I say they don't like.
Yo, you may say no.
Can you come now? Can you come now?
Oh yeah, Abbi. Let me go.
Come now. You can act like say I try.
Come to my friend.
Yani? Kamalala. You're fat. You're fat. Come on, stop doing the ice cream. I'm not gonna try. Come on, stop now.
Abbi, you may say, yeah, I'm there for Kirsty. Eat this as a cup. You may say, done that.
Come on. Nobody knows it. That way I tell you.
Oh, the place empty now.
But they say, alright, say you want to marry me, right? Me not going to marry nobody who know them somebody. And when you're married, if you're married, you want which people by the time you're married, we're expert. You do them somebody.
What?
I have.
Yeah, let me go. You're going to get cheap enough.
You must stop now.
When I'm married, make sure you're expert about what you can do.
So try not to put us a mess in the ice
You try for me first.
No, you for
No,
this
then.
first.
Let me go.
You for this first.
No, if you serious about this.
Let me see.
Let me go.
Let me stand.
Let me go.
Okay, my
Okay,
arm.
you don't have to come here with you. Come here with you. Come, you practice on this.
Yeah, but just
You
come.
practice on this.
Come like
No.
Come like
Come go. Not a fucking sense, man.
Yeah. Yeah, but.
Abbi, stop. Just give me a little girl. Just start the fucking hair. This is the most man grass club you want to get shot. If I'm going here, I tell from the hair, that makes no fucking sense. Almost that you do. I could have
You ice cream.
almost ran behind me, I could have see you.
Team Abbi.
Almost ran behind.
Team Abbi, guys. I want some dirty one with them careful. I want a nasty one with them careful. Yeah. Guys, we got careful doing my ice cream. We have to try all of the ice cream just to try and get the boy reaction.
Yo, tell me the man catches in him, catches theory, you know.
Yeah, guys. If you enjoy that part, comment Team Abbi down below. I want some dirty boy with them careful. As I say, guys, the ice cream choke. Not even ice cream, the ice cream man come just in time. Remember when I said dirty careful, catch me. Someone said, no, sir. Abbi and Sunday for buckle down and come take over the show. I want some dirty boy with them careful. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Comment Team Abbi down below. Go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Careful Comedy TV. Subscribe to my channel, Abbi's Madness. Guys, Abbi and Madness me over there. You know, sometimes I talk some things when it makes sense. So when you hear me attack them somewhere, don't unsubscribe, alright? I go subscribe to Careful TV. That's a dirty Careful channel. Alright guys, until then, your girl Abbi is out. Bye.